Hi, welcome to today's video. I'm going to show you how to draw a red panda. I hope you can follow along and have some fun. And I'm starting here with some guidelines. An oval shape for the body, an oval shape for the head, and a little line for the tail. Another oval shape for where the nose and the mouth is, and a couple of little ovals for the eye, and another one for the nose, and a couple of little rounded triangles for the ears. Now these are called construction lines and they're super important. Now this red panda is sitting in a tree, so I'm drawing the tree branches here. Hey, thanks to Tilly for your suggestion on drawing a red panda. What a great animal they are. We get them at the Australia Zoo that's just down the road. Once you've finished all your construction lines, it's time for outlining. I'm using a Copic multiliner and I'm just starting with the nose and colouring that in. A couple of lines for the mouth. Now I'm drawing a shape around the mouth and it's almost an oval, but you can see a couple of little points on each side there, and an oval shape for the eyes. 1, 2 eyes. And then another circle inside, and I'm putting the circles of the pupils on the right hand side to make it look like it's looking up. A little bit of an oval patch here. There's some light markings of the red panda, and I'm also going to draw another oval shape coming from the eyes and around and joining up with the chin, and I'm coming back around for the head on either side, and you can see it's not an oval shape, but it's almost is, and that rounded curves for the ears. Now you can see how easy the construction lines make it. You can plan your drawing out and then you can put all the details in. Now time to draw the other curve line from the eye and from the other eye on the other side. Now the tail, big long curved line for the tail, and we're going to put the stripes on the tail on so they curve around to show that the tail is a curved tail. Now the tree branch, another line for the tree branch, bring it around and put some texture on there, some wood grain. Continuing the tree, now this branch goes behind the red panda, so make sure those lines go behind. And then we have the back coming around and then linking up with the tail, and then the other little part of the tail pattern. Another curved line there. And then we have the dark patch. Now they're dark on the bottom so that the predators can't see them from below, and they are orange to camouflage them. They're the same color as the moss in the trees that they live. Now it's time for coloring in. I'm going to use Copic markers to color in because I love the brush tips. Once I've put all the base colours of the animal and the picture down with Copic markers, I like to add some texture with some pencils and some extra details. And you can see here on the tree I'm just adding some wood grain, and I've added some fur on the red panda, and I've also added some white whiskers using a gel pen. They're kind of really cool. You could use a Posca marker or some other white pen that you may have. Great job today. Hope you've had a good time. I certainly did. And hey Telly, thanks again for the suggestion of drawing the red panda. What an awesome animal. Thanks again guys. I will see you next time. Cheers. Bye. See ya.